Do you ever wonder how to stream Netflix from anywhere? Say if you're an American and you're in Canada and you want to watch American Netflix. It's fairly easy, but you need a VPN in order to do this. Today, I'm in Canada, but as you can tell, top 10 movies in the United States. How do we do this? It's fairly simple, folks. We go to our home screen on our Amazon Fire TV stick. Hit the search icon and type in IPVanish. IPVanish gives you the ability to geolocate your location. So if you are a U.S. resident and you're in Canada and you want to watch U.S. Netflix, you are definitely able to. So just type in IPVanish. Get it, download it, install it on your Amazon Fire TV stick or any Android device or Apple device. Use the link in the description below to get a great deal off of IPVanish today. Open up IPVanish, and as you can tell, it already says I'm located in Chicago, United States. And as we already saw, I have the US Netflix enabled. So we can always change our location. Let's connect to Canada. So once we've secured our location in Canada, we'll need to go to the settings icon, come down to applications, manage install applications, find Netflix and force it to close. So click on Netflix, force stop, go back to your home screen, open up Netflix, and she'll restart in Canada. Fairly simple, vice versa, Canada to US. Netflix Canada has enormous content of movies. So if we click on Cool Daddy, and we can come down to our top 10. Now we have top 10 movies in Canada today. As you can tell, yes, they are different than the top 10 in the United States. Piece of cake, easy peasy. Next video, I'll show you how to do it on your phone, Android or Apple. Peace.